Hi, my name is Chef Joe Yanis, and I work with Dropbox at Tuck Shop. And today we're gonna make one of my favorite dishes, which is paella de mariscos, which is a seafood paella. One of the reasons why I started cooking and got into this industry was through my mother and being inspired by her food, and living in a small community in the Central Valley of California. There wasn't too many fast food restaurants or anything of that sort, so most of the days we had home cooked meals. And I watched how my mom would basically put all that together, and it took time, and I really appreciated that. So I kind of just wanted to give that feeling to other people and like put love into food and kind of capture it. And that's what you want to hear, a little sizzle when you throw it in. That means your oil's ready. Make sure you get all those onions inside. Now I'm gonna add my padron peppers that I have all minced up. Then we're also gonna add in our minced garlic. Right. And like at this point, you can start to smell the aromas, and it's pretty much making this room smell amazing. And like I said, I have a little bit of white wine from Spain. Only have half a bottle now, because I got tempted and had a couple glasses for inspiration. Now with our tomato sauce, half a cup. I'm gonna stir that around. 2 cups of rice. And we're gonna wanna stir that up real nice and give it a little toast for another couple minutes. 2 cups of rice and 8 cups of liquid. So here I have my chicken stock. Now's a good time to add the chorizo, which is one of my favorite ingredients in the whole world. A lot of flavor, a lot of spices. My other favorite, saffron. About 2 tablespoons of salt. And once it gets to the simmer, then you're gonna wanna set a timer for 20 minutes. Thank you for joining me today in my home with Tuck Shop at Home. I hope I brought a little bit of Spain to your kitchen, because food does take you places, and I definitely feel like I'm in Spain at the moment, even though I'm stuck in a quarantine in my house. But enjoy and dig in.